Hi everyone! Today, samahan ninyo ako sa isang maagang biyahe papuntang La Carlota City, also known as the drum-beating city of beauty and dance. Traveling via La Carlota La Castellano Road, the first landmark we saw was the La Carlota Memorial Park. Now, we are passing through Canmanog Creek. And after that, makikita natin ang La Carlota Catholic Cemetery, a reminder of Spanish Town era planning kung saan makikita natin that cemeteries were built outside the poblacion. And now we are passing through Lopez Department Store. Did you know that Lopez started in Bacolod in 1945 and since become a household name in Negros? La Carlota City became a city on June 19, 1965 through Republic Act No. 4585. Pero bago pa man iyon, this area has already played a significant role in the sugar industry. Dito matatagpuan ang isa sa pinakamalaking sugar mill sa bansa. At ang daang ito, yes, ito, ay papunta doon sa sinasabi nating isa sa pinakamalaking sugar mill sa bansa, the Central Azucarera de La Carlota, na itinatag noong 1918 at kilala bilang tahanan ng Iron Dinosaur or lumang steam locomotives. Ngayon, ang operasyon ng Sugar Central na ito ay bahagi ng Universal Robina Corporation at kilala na sa kasalukuyan bilang URC La Carlota. Nagbiyahe tayo between 5:30 to 6 in the morning kaya kakaunti pa lamang ang mga sasakyan sa daan. We are now heading to Ampong. Looking back 15 or 20 years ago, marami ng pagbabago at pag-unlad na nangyari sa La Carlota City. And we are now fronting Ceres Terminal. Yes, isa yan sa mga pagbabago dito sa La Carlota City. And we also have the 7-Eleven. And besides 7-Eleven ay ang Total gasoline station. Pero now, hindi na nag-ooperate ang Total gasoline station. Dito naman ay ang BDO. Almost right across BDO are La Carlota's own culinary treasures that have stood the test of time. These are Bachoy houses. However, I wasn't able to capture Ranidon and Urjan because I didn't realize that my cell phone paused recording. Yet, speaking of Bachoy, Ranidon Bachoy and Urjan Bachoy House, for many years, these local eateries have served not just a bowl of noodles but a taste of tradition that brings comfort to generations of La Carloteños. We're here at La Carlota City Public Plaza, a classic feature of Spanish town planning. Ang ganda ng plaza, clean, well-trimmed plants, old trees at perfect spot for morning exercise and community activities. We can see from afar the La Carlota City Public Market, pero hindi na tayo pupunta doon. And we are here still at La Carlota City Public Plaza. We can see La Carloteños having their morning walk or early morning exercise. That is the public CR. And we can see also the La Carlota Presidential Building. At this very moment, we are passing beside La Carlota Presidential Building. Behind La Carlota Presidential Building are some establishments just like the DUEXAM. Also makikita din dito ang La Carlota City Fire Station. At dahil pauwi na nga kami, we decided to buy our viand for the morning. Kaya, we went to a nearby place malapit sa Noseco office kung saan mayroong nagtitinda ng mga ulam. So, dito nga ay may mayroong mga stools na nagbibinta ng mga ulam. Pauwi na nga kami and we passed through Our Lady of Peace Parish Church. This church was established as a parish in 1876 and the church structure was stone, built of red bricks and coral stones, was finally completed and blessed in 1936. The church was declared a heritage site with a historical marker by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines in 2001. Every January 24, the city celebrates the Feast of Our Lady of Peace, the patroness of La Carlota. La Carlota City is also home to the vibrant Pasalamat Festival, a Thanksgiving celebration every summer na nagsimula pa noong 1980s. It showcases music, street dancing, and colorful costumes. Lastly, pabalik na nga tayo palabas ng city. This short but meaningful trip reminded me na La Carlota is not just a progressive city, but also a place rich in history, culture, and faith. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me as we explored La Carlota City. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. If you want informative content like this, follow me for more. Don't forget to like and share. Until next time, bye!